Crows, members of the Corvidae family, exhibit remarkable intelligence and adaptability. Their lifespan varies, with wild crows living approximately 7-8 years on average, while some individuals in captivity can reach 20 years. Known for problem-solving abilities, they use tools and even recognize themselves in mirrors, showcasing advanced cognitive skills. Crows also display intricate social structures and communicate complex messages through varied calls and body language. They play a crucial role in ecosystems, maintaining insect populations and cleaning carrion. Studying crows provides valuable insights into animal cognition, highlighting the intricate intelligence present in the avian world.